you've ever wanted to edit videos but had no idea where to start, this is the day one of my CAPCUT beginner series, and I'll walk you through it step by step. CAPCUT is one of the editing apps. We have other editing apps like InShot and the rest, but in this my editing series, we are going to make use of CAPCUT. So first, you need to know how to download the CAPCUT app, and also we are going to explore the interface. These are the basics, so if you're ready, let's dive in. To download the CAPCUT app, go to your phone, then open your Play Store or Apple Store, anyone you have. Then click on the search icon. On the search bar, type CAPCUT. Then click on search. And that is the CAPCUT. My own is indicating open because I've already installed it in my phone. So if I've not downloaded the app before, it will show install. All you need to do is just to tap on the install and it will be installed in your phone. Now let's go back. I believe you can see the app in my phone. So let's click on it. We're about to start the main step of CAPCUT basic editing. Once the CAPCUT is open, click on the new project. It will take you to your phone gallery. Then in your gallery, select the video you want to use by tapping on it. Then click on the add below. It will take the video to the editing section. Look down here, this is your timeline. You can call it the editing decks. This is where all the magic happens. At the bottom are your basic tools. The music icon, which is the audio, the text icon, effects, overlay, the captions. When you click on the edit icon, the scissors icon, you are going to see the split icon, the delete button, the volume. And when you look up, you will see the playhead, the keyframe, the do and undo button. With time, you are going to know how to use all these tools. So today, the first edit we are going to do is trimming. Trimming of the video means shifting the beginning of the video backwards and shifting the end of the video inwards. In other words, if you make mistake in the beginning of your video, you use trimming to edit it out. And if there is excess in your video, the part you don't need, at the end, you also use trimming to edit it. After that, we are going to preview our video. To trim the video, tap on it, and it's going to highlight. Now, from the beginning of this video, we're going to shift it backwards. Let's go. It's okay. Now, let's move to the end of the video. You're going to use your finger to move the video on the timeline until you get to the back. So let's do that. All you need to do here is to hold the video and then shift it inwards. That is trimming. After that, tap on this TikTok watermark and then click on delete. And that's it. Let's preview our video. Click on the playhead. This is just a mini edit. Downloading of CAPCUT, importing one video to CAPCUT, trimming and preview. And that's it. So if this helped you, do well to hit on the like button. Add your comment in the comment section. If you don't know what to type, just say thank you for the tutorial. Congrats, you just finished day 1. Tomorrow in day 2, I will show you how to cut and split clips like a pro. Make sure you follow so you don't miss it.